Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, which is HOOWISH, I think, and they are heavy duty dry sweeping cloths. It comes with 32 dry cloths, and they are 11 by 8 or 66 inches, and it trap and locks elastic absorption 2 times more. Trap and lock, no pet hair. So let's go ahead, open this up and see exactly what they look like. Feels like I tore a piece out. So this is what they look like. They're just like kind of like a duster type material. Now, you do have to have the little like Swiffer thing that these come on. But they have like this cotton type material on them, and you're just going to put this on and just use it on your floor. And the awesome thing about this, you can just throw it away when you're done. You don't have to worry about washing or anything. So they are not reusable, but let's go ahead and see what they look like in use. Okay, so I could not find my Swiffer, but I do have this one. So let's go ahead and start just rubbing it. You don't have to wet it or anything. You just go across the floor dry. I do have outside dogs. So this is the entrance. So I'm always getting hair in the house no matter how many times I clean it. And you can see it's working pretty good. Now let's see what the damage is. So you can see, that's disgusting. And that's just a little part of my house that it's gotten. So you can use it on wood floors. You can use it on tile floors. And the crazy thing is I swept and mopped earlier today. And my kids have already made a mess. Welcome to motherhood. And then once you're done, you'll just take this off and then throw that away. You can see how dirty that is. Literally just swept and mopped, and it's already like this. So gross. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.